Hello everyone, I'm Samuele and in today's video I'm going to review what I have here inside of this box. A little disclaimer before starting the review. I received this product for free and I am in the affiliate program of the company, but all the things that I say are all my opinions. So enough talking and let's go back to the review and stay tuned for the discount code. Do the test. So let me wear my respirator and let's start sending. Now I'm going to lay my pencil. And I'm going to start here. Good. So guys, as you saw, the product works really well. I really like the dust collection for sure. I did a modification here because I made this adapter, this one, with my 3D printer, and this is something that maybe you need to have. You can do it using PVC pipe, but I use my 3D printer, and so works really well in here, as you can see. Okay, and the sender itself is fantastic. I really like the grip here is much better from the previous one that I was using. Another thing that I really like is the on-off switch, because all the other senders that I saw with this shape, similar shape like this one, have the push button here. So you need to push the button and to hold the button in position. With this one, no, because this one is an on-off switch. Another thing is the weight is really lightweight, so is again comfortable to use, and as you saw here, the quality is perfect. So I did the same thing 2 times and works really well, really well. So I really like it. So at the end, I recommend this product for a hobbyist, for sure. It's not really expensive and works really well. It's comfortable to use. I didn't test the dust bag because I really don't like it, and in my thinking, in my opinion, it's not useful. It's better to use a dust collection system. So remember that this product don't have variable speed, and I think that is a really valuable product. So if you are okay, again. So if you are interested, you can check the description of this video, or in the cards you can use my affiliate link, and I'm going to appreciate if you use my links, because I get a commission that is not going to cost anything more to you, but it can help me to produce better contents. And don't forget that you can use my discount code Samuele. Thanks for the support. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe and to ring the bell. And also, you know, a fun fact, all the viewers of my channel are not subscribed. Why? You need to subscribe now. Let's do it. So now that you subscribed, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And so, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!